When you say Starbucks, the first thing that comes to your mind is a coffee shop. That is, a coffee shop sells expensive coffee. But if I'm telling, the story is not like that. Do you believe that I'm telling Starbucks is actually a bank? Let's see how. In the year 1971, Starbucks opened its first store in Seattle, USA with their three partners. In the beginning, actually they only sold coffee beans. Later in 1987, they started to sell coffee from coffee shop. If you look at the figures from 2000 to 2006, Starbucks grew 6 times faster and they were opening 1,500 outlets each year. The rapid growth of Starbucks, which was only a small coffee shop, has changed the growth of country America itself because the price of the place nearby Starbucks outlet began to increase in a very big way. That means real estate business boomed near every Starbucks coffee shop outlets. The American gave a name to this phenomenon called Frappuccino effect. Starbucks is launching a reward program in May 2008. About 3 million Americans have enrolled in this reward program. After this program, Starbucks is released their own app and loyalty card for their customers. If you go to Starbucks, now they have two types of payment methods. We can pay by card or normally as cash. But Starbucks released an app and loyalty card for the people who occasionally drink coffee from Starbucks actually. People using app and card would be able to deposit money into their loyalty card and app. Customers could also use this deposit card to have coffee from Starbucks by using this app and card. During 2008, this was a great convenience for their customers. About 40% of their customers were paying money through this app and loyalty card only. There was another reason why so many people used the app and loyalty card at that time because Starbucks has given reward as star point to those who use these features. Customers who pay multiple times through the app and card were able to earn stars multiple times in a quarter. There's a number of customers using Starbucks apps and card quickly jumped to the top in the United States. Actually, it has to be said that this was affected American economy at that time. All the cash that people deposited as prepaid was in this app and card of Starbucks, and Starbucks got 1.7 billion US dollar from the hand of customers only as deposit at that time. One of America's biggest financial power called American Express had a total deposit of 3.3 billion US dollars. At this time, Starbucks was able to collect such a large amount, 1.7 billion US dollars. If Starbucks, which had such a large amount in hand, was considered as a bank at this time, the deposit of Starbucks in America would have been 570. If we deposit money in a bank, they give an amount every year as interest. Many banks giving different money as interest. But Starbucks did not pay anything as interest money to their customers for these received deposits actually. Because it is not a financial institution, Starbucks did not have to legally face any obligation to pay interest to their customers. This was their biggest brilliance. These deposits were an advantage to Starbucks that no other American financial institutions could not claim. In fact, a company that was expanding so quickly would have had to take loans. But because Starbucks had so many deposits in their hand, it was able to expand its company worldwide without taking any loans from other banks. At that time, Starbucks had deposit to run their own bank. The strategy implemented by Starbucks to expand its brand worldwide was the method of taking a loan from their own bank with 0% interest. Starbucks was really a nightmare for other financial institutions in 2008 because once Starbucks was registered as a bank and entered to financial services, other financial institutions would be affected very negatively. For these reasons, Starbucks is considered an unregulated bank now.